Good morning, everybody. This is Eddie Rice from RV Air, and thanks for joining us today. Today we're going to be installing the new AC-135G filters in our Coleman-Mach unit. And if you take a look at the unit up here, you can see that they are a little bit thinner. They're about 16.5 inches long, and that's what we're going to be replacing today. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to come over to the other side, because I happen to be standing here. And we're going to come over here and pull our clips like that. And you notice right away, as soon as I pull it, it's tight. These things are notoriously tight. So what I always try to do and suggest is you just take that trusty little tool and you go right along the side here and just pull a little bit at a time. You want to go soft and easy with these things. Don't be manhandling them too much. And the reason being is this. If you can see those little tiny tabs, they are notorious for breaking off. And if it breaks off, guess what? You're out trying to find one of these things, you're trying to buy it, and I tell you what, it is a pain in the butt. I see more rubber bands in the field than you can shake a stick at. With that said, we've now got this out. We're going to come up here now and we're going to take out this factory air filter. We're going to just take our trusty tool again. We want to slide this out. Don't pull it straight down because, again, we got more tabs to watch out for. So we pull this out. This is Coleman's answer to that black poly filter that used to be in them. So they've decided to go to a plastic screen, which is like this is in a dryer. The problem is this doesn't catch any of the fine dust. It doesn't catch, it catches large dust and large mosquitoes. That's it. So you need a good filter in an RV in order to protect and save the air conditioner and your breathing. And with that, we have a model that we produce. It's called the AC-135G. This particular filter is available at Walmart. It's available at Amazon. It's available at most any of your good RV stores, as well as camping worlds. So they're all over the country. You should be able to find them. Now, a lot of people say to me, Eddie, why do you call it 135G? The G stands for green. So that way you know which side these filters work with. These are directional airflow filters. And you notice how they just stick together when you even, look at it, if I push it like this, they want to stick all the time. That's because they have a tackifier built into them as well as an anti-microbrial. So they hold all the fine dust that comes in. The anti-microbrial is designed for units that have intakes and then they put it out through ducking. That is to create, and we can get the mold out of the air that's coming into the RV. So with this said, all we're going to do with this filter right now is the green side goes up. And we're going to put it right here. And we're just going to set it on that hole that's up there. And we're just going to push it around a little bit, not too much, just nice and easy. It's like some people have installed installation and they'll say, oh, it's the same thing, you just push the installation around the edge. Our goal is to get the filter to be around these edges, because when we snap the grill back in, that's what holds it in place. So now that we've got that in there, we're going to come back over here with our grill. And we're going to look at that and make sure it's all good. We're going to come right over here, and if you notice, there's two little slots back there. We pushed them in there. Once again, we're not going to manhandle this. We want to see that it's sort of lined up. Push that in a little bit right there like that. A little bit. And there you go. That's it. We just completely installed a set of new filters for this AC-135. You see, it wasn't hard at all. The nice thing about them is check them once a year. We recommend it if you're full-timers and using them 90 days straight, that you check them as well to make sure you're getting the maximum efficiency of these filters. Any questions, call rvair.com. We'd love to hear from you. Tell your friends we need all the help we can get. Thank you.